Give her! That thing really hauls its ass around in circles. Got good competition. You're gonna get broadsided. Dodge power. Looks like I'm going to have to do a lot of bulldozing this fall to put the land back. Donuts in a motorhome. Sweet. Listen to those 4 barrels open. Trying to take me out? Look out! Oh no! Oh no! Oh, so close. Inches. Do we have mechanical issues?
More like fire issues.
Uh-oh.
That smoked for a second.
From where?
I was coming through the tranny tunnel area. It doesn't smell, it smells electrical. Or hey, I don't know what it smells like when it hits exhaust.
Where's that guy spraying fucking mud on?
That guy, I swear.